today I'm going, got some tools with me. We have a couple machines on sites, so we're gonna top one off with fuel, the other one should be full, and then grease everything and get everything ready for the possible storm. They've been going back and forth between whether it's gonna be start off with snow or ice. So I'm still torn on whether I'm gonna pre-treat tonight or if I'm going to wait till it starts doing something, because I don't want to have a bunch of salt if it's gonna start off as rain. Okay, so we're pulling up to our skid steer here. And honestly, this winter's been such a dud. We put this thing here in probably, what was it? End of December, around Christmas. Yeah, Christmas. And we haven't used it yet. So, we really haven't had any snow. So, if you're not familiar with the Bobcat T595, probably most Bobcats in general, pop that cover off, and there's a grease zerk right inside of it. Clean that off. I don't know if you can see that, but the track is going up because it's pushing that idler pulley out. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, check the oil. Alright, wait for that to go off. Yeah, see, we still have almost a full tank. And I'll let this run while I grease the machine. Okay, I did what I could with the grease. Some of them didn't really seem to be taking grease that well because I think it's too cold. I'm not really sure. But I did hear the beep go off for the inside of the skid saying that it's warm, so I'm gonna go ahead and drive around the parking lot, make sure everything works good before we send someone here tomorrow to use it and something isn't working. So normally when I go to check on our machines, I make sure that the cutting edge is just below the side walls, so that, because these are rubber cutting edges, so you want them a little bit below to make sure that they're gonna scrape well. And normally I don't go over there because that's for all that's the factory side, this is the office side. So if I stay on the office side, no one's really outside and I'm not bothering anyone driving in the parking lot. lot set up. I always want to snow here, but then this year there's a shipping container. So unfortunately, I kind of block it in, but it doesn't seem to be a problem. But considering there might be 5 inches of snow coming tomorrow, I'd like to get this pile moved out of the way so then I don't take up too much of the parking lot. It doesn't take that long to move right here. And worst case, if we don't get snow, then now it's not going to be in the parking lot at all. There's no pile. Avoid some ice spots for the melting. There's a big one. Ooh, icy. Think of a way to leave the bucket so that it's pointing down. I wonder if I leave it up there so that the water runs out of it. Alright, pulling up to the next place. It's a church. This is probably one of our biggest it's definitely our biggest parking lot. I don't have patience for this. We'll check and see what it's at. Most of it's out of here. It's crazy, this thing never even wants to use the glow plugs. Start it right up. Oh yeah. Pretty cool. Alright. Give this one a little walk around, make sure tires look all good. Everything appears to look good. So we'll go ahead and drive it around the parking lot. Everything seems to be good. We have 2 more places about a mile away, so I'll probably drive over to them, make sure everything looks good before I head back. See, I'm already to the place. So yeah, there's no salt really. Just a little bit on the sidewalk because I do that heavier. Yeah, there's a little bit, but This is ideal. This is exactly what I want my parking lots to look like after I salt, because it doesn't look like I put a ton. It's windy out today, very windy. I can feel it pushing the truck. Yeah, same thing here. Okay. Doesn't even seem like this place is open, to be honest. We're here in Troy, Michigan. If anyone was wondering. Alright, just made a quick pit stop to get some Tim Hortons. Everybody loves some Tim Hortons. Jeez. Cop is in a hurry, I guess. Still unsure what is gonna happen tomorrow with the snow. I wish we had a little bit better idea so that I could plan ahead and be able to get ahead of it, but with these storms like this, there's not much you can do depending on timing and everything. If it's gonna be snow first and we're gonna get 3 to 5 inches, there's no point in pre-salting. But if it's gonna be ice first, then you have to pre-salt, otherwise you can't get through the ice with the salt. Or it might rain, so you just have to keep checking. I'll have to stay up probably most of the night, check the radar, keep looking, see what's the temperature, and see if I think it's gonna rain or snow first or ice. And I hope I can pre-salt. Pre-salting is one of my favorite things. Alright. Back to the yard. Let's see if I can hook this up first try again. Then we gotta hook up the plow on that truck too, just in case. Felt good. All right, it's a full load. All right, trucks are filled. Plows are on. Now we wait.